If you're interested in learning how to draw a star, we've got you covered with these simple steps. To draw a 5-pointed star, begin by drawing an upside-down V and then add lines without lifting your pencil to form the star's points, connecting back where you started. For a 6-pointed star, draw a large circle with a compass, mark evenly spaced points around the circle, and then connect them with 2 triangles, erasing the circle afterward. If you're aiming for a 7-pointed star, you can adapt the 5-point method by leaving gaps between points and connecting them in a similar fashion. With these techniques, you'll be able to impress your friends with your new drawing skills.